Rena, I cannot Nina. I can do this. I can do this.
Well, thank you for coming out with me today. Thanks for inviting me. It looks like a great place to study, like outside. We're always stuck inside.
Great place to study.
It'll be fun. Oh, I can take that if you want.
Thank you.
Yeah, oh, it's really heavy.
This looks like a great spot.
Oh, okay, do you want to put the blanket down then? Oh, no, it's alright. You move there and I'll just put this down here. Okay. Yeah, just do that. This is going to be really, really good. I'm sure we'll get all of this done. Right, yeah. Well, we're here for studying, are we?
Sure.
Here you go. That one was yours. I asked one of the girls to go into your room and get your stuff, as I wasn't going to go in there. You can just borrow mine if you like. Don't forget your notes. Right.
I can't find the word. You know what the meaning of follicle?
Follicle?
That one, yes, that one.
I mean, I can tell you, but I think it's probably better that like you read it for yourself.
You know, let's...
But I'm finding that word for you.
Yeah, we can do that later.
Why don't we finish our study? Oh, that was rather thoughtful. I suppose we have been at this for a while.
Yes, we have.
Okay. It looks really, really good, Uraraka. Oh wow, this is really good! And there's so much! Where did you find the time to make all of this?
Well, I manage. I have plenty of time.
Ah,
Are you okay?
I think so.
Sure.
Yeah, just something in my eye, that's all. So do you think you've got enough and understand all the work?
So?
You think so? Well, I'm glad. At least we got something done. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Are you sure? That's like the second thing that you've dropped. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm fine.
Okay. Maybe take it a little easier next
be a limit. More than that.
That's training my quirk.
There's limits though.
You weren't training your quirk, you were doing physical strength.
Still, you gotta be careful, okay?
Yeah, well, so do you, clearly. I just worry for you.
I worry for you.
Yeah, well, I worry for all of you. That's what friends do.
Yeah, try this.
Oh no, it's okay. You've got your own and we have so much and we really need it. We need to build up our strength. Food's the best way. Nope.
Thanks, Savior. Oh my gosh, this feels like a flight.
We didn't know all about that.
I think floating and flying is a bit different though.
You take that aside.
That's scary! Holding us in life! Honestly, this gives me an excuse to give you a hug. I can see that. I like hugs. I don't want to let go.
He just falls?
Yeah, well, he had no choice.
What? Oh, hey Denki, come watch this. It's actually really exciting.
What am I watching, guys?
So it's like this.
Young Midoriya, you're so dense. But I could do better.
No! Deku is mine!
There we go again.
Do you try?
No.
Don't you dare, problem child.
I'm going to kill you!
Don't stab it, you impolite shit.
It looks like the bear. Are you okay?